Welcome back to the Upbeat Traveler. Today we are going to continue with our visit to Tam Coc, Ninh Binh, Vietnam and the popular Tam Coc Boat Tour there. Before watching this video, please make sure you have seen our previous video on the Tam Coc Boat Tour. A link will be in the description below. This is a follow-on video showing the same boat tour from a different perspective in the same area of Tam Coc, Ninh Binh, Vietnam. The previous video showed you the Tam Coc Boat Tour from a first-person perspective. In this video, we would like you to see it from a third-person perspective. From the air, Tam Coc in Ninh Binh, Vietnam, looks like a breathtaking tapestry of towering limestone casts rising from lush green rice fields, intertwined with winding rivers. The dramatic casts, with their jagged peaks and cliffs, stand out against the serene landscape, creating a contrast with the flat, vibrant rice paddies below. As the river meanders through the valley, it passes under narrow caves, adding to the area's mystical charm. The overall view is peaceful and stunning, with a combination of natural rock formations, verdant fields, and calm waterways creating a picturesque, almost otherworldly landscape. The limestone karst mountains in Tam Coc, Ninh Binh, vary in height, but generally range from 200 to 500 meters, 660 to 1,640 feet, above sea level. The tallest peaks in the area can reach up to 500 meters. These dramatic, towering formations are a hallmark of the region's landscape, rising sharply from the surrounding rice fields and rivers. Finally, here are some photos taken in Tam Coc, Ninh Binh in October 2024.
Thank you for watching this Upbeat Traveler YouTube video. If you liked this video, please click the like button, and we would love it if you would subscribe. We post content every week, so click on the bell button if you want to be notified when videos are published. Thank you again. We hope to see you next time. Bye for now.